Hey, what's up YouTube? It's One that GodofSoles. Today I'm going to be showing y'all something a little different. I have a pair of Air Jordan 4s Retro LS size 11, 2006 release, retro card right here, Lightning 4s. These are going up on my eBay account. I am selling these. I wear size 11.5, so these don't fit me, and so I'm going to go ahead and be selling these on there. I'm making this video so if you happen to search it and you look it up on eBay and stuff like that, you can reference the shoes and actually look at them instead of just seeing like pictures of them and stuff like that. So I figured that would help out, like with more of the like the expensive shoes and stuff like that, so you can actually see what you're getting. So if you have any questions, feel free to ask. I still do plan on doing restorations and things like that. I just don't have enough time to like edit the videos and you know, take pictures, edit the videos, post them and all that. So this is a whole lot quicker, and I do want to post some content for y'all on here. So I do plan on posting more sneakers that I'm selling on eBay and on my website, so that way y'all can see some type of content on here. Like I said, I will do restorations still, but it might have to be like something that like I've never done, so that way I can post it and edit it and not make me actually want to like make some type of video for it. Because if it's something like yellowing and things like that, like, man, like I've done like thousands and thousands of shoots, so it's like it's not interesting anymore for me, and I'm sure y'all get tired of watching it over and over again. But like I said, size 11, I do wear 11.5, and I will post like other sizes on my eBay account as well, like 9s, 8s, like random sizes, not just 11, 11.5, 12. But yeah, so if you can, follow my eBay account, and you'll be up to date with that, like stuff I'm selling. I don't plan on doing it for every shoe, like I said, just more expensive shoes. And if you're interested, feel free to hit me up, shoot me a message, and yeah, thanks for watching.